Did you just get a DSLR camera and you're wondering which button to press and what dial to turn? Does the manual mode confuse you? Or did you get a beautiful camera and you left it in the box, put it in the closet, and one day you're going to get to it because it's just so overwhelming to learn how to photograph? Well, take this course and learn how to photograph in the manual mode. Learn how to take beautiful photographs with your camera. You will learn how to control the shutter speed in order for you to photograph motion. You will learn how to control the aperture so that you can create super sharp images. You will also learn how to use the point of focus to obtain sharp images. You will learn composition techniques used by professional photographers. During the class, you will work on your own portfolio so that when you finish the class, you will have a set of photos to share with us and your friends and family. This class is for the beginner photographer, for the hobbyist, for the person who wants to come back with beautiful photographs from a trip. It's also a great class for those of you who need to learn photography for business, such as social media. So take this course and learn how to create exceptional photographs. Learn how to use your camera in the manual mode. Enroll now, and I look forward to seeing you in class.